There were hugs and tears among the dozens of attendees to pay heartfelt respect to the victims of the Iran disaster. Iranian community student leader at Conestoga and student engagement department came together to initiate the gathering on Monday, January 20 at Boone campus.
It was really hard. It's still, we're suffering with that pain of our loss, and we just try to gather here, all Iranians, to share our feeling, whatever we have in our heart, because it's not easy to live here alone, and each of us, like, we are living far from our family, and it was kind of imagination that we could be one of those people in the airplane. Yeah.
Out of 176 victims, 57 Canadians died on the flight PS752 on January 7th. Initially, mechanical issue was being claimed by the Iranian government, but later on it was said that the flight was shot down unintentionally by the Revolutionary Guards. Tears rolled down the cheeks of attendees while watching a short clip of the victims. Much of the event was done in Persian language. Conestoga has about 200 Iranian students on campus. An Iranian student spokesperson appreciated the efforts Conestoga took.
Your support, we think that maybe the people that we expect them, they didn't for us. It was a pleasure that we were this much caring and supporting with us.
Some lit the candles, some embraced each other, while some kept quiet to mourn the tragedy. For Spoke News, I'm Anannya Gupta.